Hey folks, it's Bob. I wanted to put a video together for some time that was done, the work was done 4 or 5 years ago when we were getting the wings ready to paint and start the restoration process. One of the first things that we did, we contracted with the company to come to our hangar and dry ice blast all of the areas that it was just filthy dirty inside. And so part of what we had to do is we had to get both wings. They were still standing on their firewalls at this time. And because they were inside, they had us build a tent of sorts over the wings. Well, we tented one wing and they did their blasting, and then we moved the tent to the other wing and we did some more blasting. Well, at the end of the day, we had a great big pile of dirt and crap, like 2.5 foot by 3-4 inches deep, of just the crap that came out of the wings, because the dry ice process, dry ice blasting process, doesn't leave any secondary residue. The granules are basically CO2 that just evaporates into the air. Anyway, they did a really good job of cleaning up, and you're going to see a series of photos of how we set up to do this. They did the majority of the work in the tent, and then they came back on another occasion when the wings were outside, and they did some follow-up blasting to really get them to a point that we could then prep them for painting and restoration. And you'll see 5 or 6 videos of actual blasting work. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you at the end.
That's quite the deal.
I think that's a good.
Okay.
want to give a huge shout out to Randy and his crew from Coldsweep. They're the dry ice blast company that came down and did the work on our wings. They were very meticulous in getting as much as they could out with the equipment that they've got. And as you can see from the videos, it does a really good job of getting anything that isn't bolted down. It'll get it out of there. Now, there are exceptions. It won't take care of rust. It will take care of anything, any kind of rusty stuff that might be loose. But the big thing was just getting the grime and the grease and everything else out of there. And Randy and his team just did a great job. I'll try to drop a link in the description to their company if anybody's interested. And I even got an opportunity to run the machine myself a couple of times. It's pretty unique, and a cleaning process like that has its own satisfaction in seeing it just absolutely take care of things. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like the video and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.